We'll let you know about Red Tea Detox, life change reviews, recipe program for weight loss, the great system we have already tested on ourselves and 2 of our friends as well. This is one of the best ways we can easily see what it's like to use it and what results we get. You can get it at a very reasonable and qualify for all of its bonuses. Our 2 friends are overweight and we're very happy to try something new and effective. At the beginning of our test, they were 34 pounds and 76 pounds overweight individually. You want to know all the circumstances first? Then read on. What is the Red Tea Detox Program recipe program for weight loss? This program specially designed by Liz Swan Miller, which is a quite new way to detoxify your body, helping it to burn unneeded pounds by shifting from carbs fat burning to high octane burning. It is based on over a decade of medical experimentation revolving around the cleansing of toxins and the benefits of African red tea. The program has been divided into 3 parts which can help each other: diet, exercise, and mindset. For more information, go to the description. Like this video and subscribe us.